Jasmy is currently consolidating around a crucial resistance level. In today's video I will reveal the resistance that needs to be overcome. I will also discuss the momentum indicators, delve into the 4-hourly time frame and much more stuff before we dive into the video. Stir things up around town button to help the channel and to push this substance out to however many individuals as we can. By taking a gander at the day-to-day time period for Jasmy, we consider the cost is right now combining around the 0.236 Fibonacci level noticeable in orange. This specific level is giving huge obstruction temporarily. On the off chance that we think back in time, this level was critical in offering significant help back in late walk as well as early May. By and by, the momentary pattern for Jasmy is as yet certain with the potential for additional cost increments. This perspective is highlighted by the rising equal channel I've drawn, flagging an upturn. Be that as it may, a critical improvement to screen intently would be a break underneath the help line. Such a shift could set off a transient revision for Jasmy. The fact that the multi-day makes besides, it's significant. It is situated around 0.005 to move normal set apart in yellow. A slight increment from the ongoing value level will prompt huge opposition as it moves toward this moving normal. As a matter of fact, we've noticed an escalated exchanging volume of everyday candles inside the cost zone somewhere in the range of 0.00439 and 0.005. This region will probably post a significant obstruction for only me to survive. The force on the everyday time span seems, by all accounts, to be decreasing fairly. This is obvious from the overbought position of the stochastic RSI and the new negative hybrid in the moving midpoints. While this is definitely not a quick source of inspiration for a slump, it's surely characteristic of debilitating vertical energy. By taking a gander at the 4-hourly time period, we can distinguish that there's right now no negative disparity in play. This perception turns out as expected for both the RSI and the stochastic RSI, alluding to the potential for more vertical development temporarily. In any case, do watch out for the obstruction line of the climbing equal channel. Given its authentic importance with 3 touch focuses as of now, it's exceptionally plausible that it could present critical obstruction should the value endeavor to climb further. With regards to exchanging at present, being cautious is ideal. It's a piece eccentric in the quick present moment. Nonetheless, for those intrigued by mid and long haul exchanging, the ongoing costs are exceptionally appealing to DCA. In my view simply implies still extremely underestimated, introducing an ideal chance for additional development. On the off chance that you're keen on exchanging or buying Jasmy, then make certain to utilize my piece Get Connect found in the portrayal box. Besides the fact that it awards you a significant reward up to $5,000. Be that as it may, it likewise guarantees you a deep-rooted 15% rebate on all exchanging charges. Make the most out of these momentous advantages by utilizing my Partner Connect. I use Squirm constantly for my exchanges as it permits me to exchange without KYC confirmation. Taking a gander at the week-after-week diagram, obviously Jasmy actually has far to go before we can affirm a pattern inversion, despite the fact that we have 2 major green, week-by-week candles, which is uplifting news. It doesn't mean we're seeing a total pattern inversion right now. One place of concern is the lessening in volume for the ongoing week-after-week light contrasted with the earlier week. In any case, volume can change over time, and we could see an increase before very long. For the week-by-week time span to flag a conclusive upswing, we should break the 0.008 level. This specific imprint addresses a swing high from the 1st of May. A week-after-week conclusion over this level would really affirm an upswing for only me on the week-by-week time span. All in all, I stay hopeful about Jasmy for both the medium and long haul. There are a ton of positive improvements unfurling in the background and I expect to see these reflected unimportant cost rise soon. I will obviously keep you informed. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.